Nobody does what I do. The youth want to look good to other people who don't really care about you.
Right guys, we've got Dean back from the tyre shop.
Nice.
Riding my pony, my saddle is waiting.
Alright, so I'm here today at Encarns. I've come all the way from Manchester, South Manchester, Cheshire. I'm really looking forward to upgrading my wheels. I'm not been sure what to get, I'm not sure what designs to get, what size to get. I've really come up here to Bradford today to ask these guys their professional opinion. These guys have been doing it a very long time, so I'm coming up today I'm having a look at the monoblocks. I'm not sure whether to get the 22s, 23s, I'm not sure whether to get the spacers, but I think this design and these guys' wheels will make this look an insane transformation on just the wheels. The body kit's yet to come, the calipers are yet to come, spoilers, light bars, all of it. We can get it all done here at Encarns today, which I'm super excited about. So let's look at this transformation.
Ready? There's no chance I'm going to be hopping out and going around this car. So I'll tell you guys what we're going to be doing. First things first, it's a brand new Defender, 3,000 miles already on it. Customer, not messing around, he's got a new car and he just wants to drive it around. On this Defender, we're going to be fitting it with the aero body kit, so we're going to be fitting it with the front lip, with the 4 DRLs in there. We're going to be changing the bonnet vents to some upgraded bonnet vents. It's getting the center grille, wheel arches, tinted rear light covers, side vents, front light bar with the 4 LEDs, rear roof spoiler, ladder, storage box and wheel cover. He's literally going all out with the full expedition pack, and he's not really missed anything off the list, to be honest. He's got some nice wheels already. He's going for the factory look. And that's it, guys. That is the full expedition pack there. And let's see how this one turns out. And let me know what your feedback is on this Defender. If this is a bit of you, or if you prefer the other body kits that we're going to be showing to you in this vlog as well.
You look more nervous than I do.
It's just that I want to make it look
natural.
I want it to look good, the video, because it's got like a good storyline to like your business, and you know what I mean? I want it to be...
Tiga. Problem is you're in Bradford, everybody does food.
yeah. Everyone.
But we're different though. Nobody does
keep it on.
Nobody does what I do. See, we do Japanese food, and I've always wanted to do something that's niche, something that's different, not copycat.
Yeah. At the moment, the trend's all about spicy dip burgers.
Yeah, exactly.
Everywhere you go.
Whereas with us, it's completely different. Nobody does it like us in the market.
Yeah.
And we're very different too also. You know, like, you think Japanese food, you think ISO Sushi, Wagamama, these big boys, Now with us, we do Japanese food, but with a modern touch.
So are you Mr. ISO?
I'm Mr. ISO, yeah.
So you started it all off then, you were like chefing some food up, and then what made you think, I'm going to create a...
You know what, I started with my brother. So my brother, he used to live in Wolves as well.
Yeah.
He now lives in Dubai, obviously. Like most people nowadays.
So he's retired then, he's retired.
Yeah, he's gone. But started with him, so we used to go to ISO Sushi a lot. But in ISO Sushi, we could only have certain things because it wasn't halal.
Yes.
Now, he goes, let's start something. So we started it with another guy who's a chef, like a Japanese chef. And then, obviously, when you start a business from scratch, back in them days, what, 11 years ago.
Yeah.
So the guy who we did it with, he dropped out because he was a general area manager or something for ISO Sushi. So he was on probably about 50 grand back then.
Wow.
And then to go from that to owning your own business and you don't make no money at the start,
initially
he couldn't handle it. So I kind of took over, and what I did was, because obviously we had chefs and stuff at the time, I used to work the front of house. So I used to waiter. And all day I just watched the kitchen. So I could see everything that was being prepared all day. And over a matter of time, over a period of time, I just learned how to do everything. And then sometimes what I had to do is I had to jump in the kitchen.
Of course, you have to get your hands dirty.
You have to get your hands dirty. I've washed dishes, I've mopped floors, I've done everything. Everything, 7 days a week, long hours, put all the hard work in from the age of 19 I'm 33 now. I know I still look 21, but I'm 33 now.
Fair play.
But yeah, we did everything, man. And now you got the internet on your side as well. You know, so it's not really that difficult. And you take obviously ideas from different places and see how you can better it.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, it's all whatever's written for you is written for you.
100%.
That's the most important.
You got to put that graft in, though.
You got to put the graft in, and if it works out, it works out. If it don't work out, you try something else.
True.
Do you know what I mean? So that's what we do, man. Alhamdulillah.
Very good, mashallah, very good. So that's a little insight for all the viewers out there to Mr. ISO. So we always like to give a message to the people watching the vlogs, like as inspiration, because everyone aspires to have a Defender, everyone aspires to have a G-Wagon. So what's your like words of wisdom for all the youth out there, all the viewers, like how to become what you have today?
I think you have to look at your fundamentals of life first. Make sure you secure the main requirements of your life before you start going on to materialistic things. This stuff is here today, gone tomorrow.
100%.
Do you know what I mean? Secure your investments before you go on to splashing on different things. That's what I would say.
Create a strong foundation first.
That's it, create a strong foundation, because unfortunately a lot of the time nowadays is the youth want to look good to other people who don't really care about you. Do you get what I mean? And just keep grafting, man, keep working hard, and inshallah.
So can you customize 3 Defenders then?
I could potentially. But you said the top guys come. I'm not the top guy, bro. I'm not the top guy, not yet. We've got a long way to go.
It's good to see people from our own community doing it well as well.
Of course, I think that's why I chose you guys as well, because obviously I've heard you guys from long time ago, years ago, and you and I both know there's different people who do the same thing.
Of course,
you know. But I saw you guys from a long time ago, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to give you guys a try. Saw you on TikTok as well, so I thought, again, you're our own, you know, and the North is the North. We love the North. You know what I mean?
I'll drive it out.
Oh wow. It looks fantastic, to be honest. I like these. Looks sick, to be fair. It's mad, isn't it, the difference that it makes?
Yeah, it makes a world of difference.
It's crazy. I think the wheels go with it now.
Do you think?
I think so.
Nice, black,
I think so. I think so. It goes with it. I love it. The way that sticks out as well.
Yeah.
Top.
You're in for a good combo.
Yeah, it's nice.
Pretty much the full expedition pack.
Yeah.
If you stand like over here, it's quite beefy. You can see the arches.
Yeah.
Go along with the lip. You got the quad DRLs in there. This is the remote button for the lights.
Oh, sick.
So the light bar. Don't have them on during the day. Just put them on at night when you're going down the country.
Are you allowed to have it at night?
It's just for show, to be honest with
Is
you.
it?
Yeah. You'll be blinding people with how bright.
But at night when I'm on the motorway, I can just flash them from the thing.
So that's a little remote control for them. So you got the front lip with the quad lights. You got the center grille. You got the bonnet vents, wide arches, side vents. What else have we got?
I love it. I love it.
Storage box. Put your sushi in there.
What's that brand, by the way?
That's like Nav's own brand that he's made.
Oh wow.
So the wheels, the body kits, all them things are. That's like his family name. So that's how he's got Barigzai. That's where it comes from.
Sick. It sounds Italian to me. But
Italian.
It looks
so
wicked.
now it's Bataan. So it's like a Bataan thing.
Oh, okay, wicked.
Are you Pakistani?
Me, no, I'm Indian. Indian Gujarati, yeah.
Oh, you Gujarati? A lot of my friends are Gujarati, actually.
Yeah. You know what's the maddest thing is, I just got my Pakistan visa last week.
Is it?
Yeah, I've been trying for years.
Have you? Fair play.
So
yeah, one of my best mates actually called Yusuf is Gujarati as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
But nah, yeah, this looks wicked, man. I appreciate it.
Then we've got the rear bumper with the quad tips.
Yeah.
A rear roof spoiler, wheel cover, tinted light covers.
Sick.
Ladder.
Wicked. Yeah, the exhaust look better, innit, like that?
Way better. Because before you could see the whole undercarriage of the car.
Yeah, you could. I really dislike that, by the way. I really dislike. I don't know why they done it like that.
On a lot of Defenders, you can see the whole undercarriage of the car.
Yeah. This looks way better. Amazing, bro. I appreciate it. Jazakallah for everything. Yeah.
No
definitely. So, shall we go pay now?
Yeah, we can do. We can do. Right guys, we've got Dean back from the tyre shop. He's just had the new wheels fitted. And
nice. That was sneaky. I like that.
I thought I'd catch you off guard. So basically, I had a customer called Phil. Big shout out to Phil. He bought down one of these mics, caught me off guard. He was like, brilliant. Yeah, he was straight into it. So I thought, you know what? Let's reuse it today.
I like it.
So 22-inch monoblock wheels.
Yep.
Fitted onto the car.
Yep.
First thoughts. Let's have a look. We've got spaces on here as well, haven't we?
Yep.
Perfect.
You think?
Perfect. Yeah, they're flush. Flush.
They're nice and wide at the front.
Yeah, bang on. Nice, just enough that.
Just enough.
Just enough. Just enough.
I think because I've not gone for the 23s and I've stuck with the 22s, then putting the spaces on has given it that more meaty look. What you want from a 23 is the big meaty look, and actually I've compromised, gone to the 22, but the spaces have made it.
The spaces have made it, haven't they?
Yeah, perfect.
Flush. If you look at it from this angle as well, bang on. Perfect. And then you're going to get some new tyres later on?
We get some new tyres.
Sticker it all up again?
Maybe not, who knows?
Okay.
But it definitely makes it feel like a more of a custom vehicle now.
Yeah,
you know,
of course.
The little spoiler and those little things, but then sticking the wheels on and making it a feature of the car now definitely makes me want to think about the front grille and the back grille and maybe wider arches as well. I've been thinking about that because these were subtle when I got them.
They are.
But actually, to have something a little bit beefier, maybe that clips round or might just accentuate the wheel a bit more.
I know what you mean.
And the guy in the tyre shop, who were great by the way, those boys are so professional and so lovely.
Big shout out to AHM Tyres.
Yeah, massive shout out. What they said was normally you guys would put a 35 on.
Yeah.
But actually, filling this space a 40 makes it feel thicker and thicker.
Thicker profile tyre.
Yeah, fills the wide arch a bit, fills the arches a bit more.
Yeah.
Especially because I can't lower it because it's not on air suspension.
I know what you mean.
So, yeah, unbelievable experience. I've really enjoyed it. As you get, you buy your first big set of alloys for a car, as you do when you want to, you dream about it being a boy, and you come, I've come today and yesterday, and
the viewers don't know about the story. So Dean came yesterday all the way from Manchester. He said he wants a new set of wheels. We were deciding through all the wheels, endless
23s,
conversations.
22s,
24s as well.
24s. We did look at 24s.
And then the colours. Should we get diamond cut? Should we get full gloss black? Then after that, he finally decided 23s, and then he messages me at 2:39 a.m. saying, "I've had second thoughts. Let's go for 22s."
I think it was design over practicality. I do 20,000 miles a year, so and everyone from Land Rover and from insurance and from all these different people said that stick to 22s, but still, you're not compromising on the design because we've made them wider. So I'm still getting that luxury look, even though it's 22, not 23.
Brilliant. So he's come back today, got some 22s fitted, finally all done, and what are your thoughts then, Dean? You wanted the gangster American style look.
I wanted the American look.
Yeah.
I wanted the gangster look without being too gangster, because I'm not a gangster at all. But I think this has smashed it. I think we took our time deciding the design, which I massively appreciate.
No worries.
He didn't force anything on me. He didn't say this is, as you kept saying, it's all about personal preference, and I totally agree with that.
Yeah.
But the diamond cut, like on the G-Wagon, is lovely, but I felt like the all black would be better.
Yeah.
We went back and forth about the 20s, 22s, 23s, but it's just making me want to come back and get the rest of the body kit. And
Dean's got the deal of the year as well, Christmas special. He's got a good set.
get in now before Christmas, because I got the deal of a lifetime.
So he's got the wheels fitted, everything all done and dusted, and hopefully stay tuned. Dean might be back for some more extra little bits on his Defender, potentially a front lip, bonnet vents, a light bar, and so on.
All of it's coming, I'm telling you. Big shout out, these guys are amazing. I've scoured the country for so many different garages that give that extra customer service, that unbelievable, friendly, personable customer service, with obviously the expertise, because you go to these places who give you a 5-minute review or a 5-minute opinion, whereas these guys have been doing it a long time, and for me to drive all this way up to Bradford to get this done, I will 100% be coming back.
No, we appreciate that, Dean. And for all the viewers out there, Dean, what do you actually do for work?
So I'm a musician, so I work in the entertainment industry, and I'm a consultant in the entertainment game and perform myself. I'm a singer, so check me out at Dean Mac Official on Instagram and TikTok.
Dean Mac Official. Now Dean, you can't rock up to Ncarn's HQ with your Defender, and there's a reason why I bought this out of you.
I knew you were going to say that. I knew you were going to say that.
You can't just rock up here and just say, "Oh, this is what I do." So for all the viewers out there, they need some sort of live. And I got a few boys here actually. Come through.
What's going on?
Right.
This is behind the scenes, behind the shutters, isn't it? You know, this is
Live
BBC or something.
We're gonna get a live performance from Dean.
Live performance?
Apparently so. So apparently you're a big Usher fan. And apparently I've come today and got the most amazing discount because I was asked if I'd sing a song on camera as part of this whole YouTube series, so we could do a deal together, and we've done the deal, so apparently I've got to sing today. So...
You might get me moving, mate, I'm a bit...
Is it?
Yeah, but I'm a bit rusty, but...
So are you an Usher fan?
I am, yeah.
Go on, he's not an Usher fan, is he? He's not an Usher fan.
No, what fan are you then? Go on. Back in days, you used to be popping in the clubs and stuff. Give us
a bit of MJ, bit of Michael Jackson.
Notorious B.I.G, Usher, Nas, Genuine, loads of them. I mean, there's so many.
All right, Genuine. If you're on it, let's do it. Ride it, my pony, my saddle is waiting. Come in, jump on it. There you go. I'll be back. We should do a little mini YouTube studio sessions. There you go. Saw them hips, man. Got to keep it PG.
That's a good one, I like that. What about Dawood? What are you going to do?
No.
Your turn.
I've done my bit. I've sold you a set of wheels.
Tom Cruise, that's a good one, that. It's a good one.
I'll take it.
Listen, guys, thank you so much for having me. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you.
I like that.
I will be back.
I'll spend any beautiful wheels.
Unbelievable.
Let's have a look at them.
What do you think? Wide enough?
What do you put at the front as well?
30s, yeah, 30s.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Maybe I need some wider arches from you.
We've got wider arches.
I know you have.
I
know you have. You got wider arches.
Wider, we need more songs though.
He's done them himself.
Done myself. Done everything myself apart from the wheels.
So the 30 at the back.
30, yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. It doesn't have air suspension, does it?
Yeah,
No.
that's the only thing.
Yeah, it's fine. The wheels look awesome.
Bad boy, don't they?
Awesome. The tyres, I mean, like I said, you're saving the tyres as well, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're going to put some like...
Yeah, I'm going to do it all again, I think. But I think we'd, I came in with 23s and I did want that bigger look, but actually because we've gone with a 40 tyre and with the Goss Black, I think it all looks nice and it doesn't look too, it's not too, I was worried that the 22s were going to look small, but because it's a 22 with a bigger tyre in that space, it looks all right.
That's what I said originally.
You did say that originally. You're trying to build a relationship with someone like yourselves who I want to bring this back and back and back and take more off your hands, then you need honesty and that's the most important thing.
100%.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Looks gangster.
Yeah, proper gangster. But you need that
Bradford gangster.
You need that, not Bradford gangster, because that would be bouncing.
Manchester.
Would it? Right, okay. Manchester gangster.
You need the kit.
I need the front splitter.
There, and then when you come back for the body kit,
Yeah.
we need to have a little. I'll do all the dancing.
You do the dancing, I'll do the singing, and you get the body kit on.
Watch this space, guys. Stay tuned for 2.0 of the Defender 90, and also see me with my dance moves. You got me going there a little bit, but luckily you stopped. Enjoy the car.
Thanks very much.
Wicked.